You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to allow everyone to comment on your TikTok videos. Let's get right into it. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. In the top right corner, tap the three-line menu icon to access your account settings. From there, choose Settings and Privacy, then tap on Privacy, which will take you to the section where you manage who can interact with your content. Under the Safety section, tap on Comments. Here you'll see different options for who can comment on your videos. To allow all users to leave comments, select the Everyone option. Once this is set, anyone on TikTok, not just your followers, will be able to comment on your future videos. Keep in mind that this setting only applies to videos you post after making the change. You can still filter comments or turn them off entirely for individual posts if needed. This gives you more flexibility while still allowing broader engagement overall. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you set things up the way you want, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more clear and useful TikTok tips. See you later.